Mr. Razif invested Rm 35,000 ringgit in platform A and Rm 15,000 ringgit in platform B for durations of 10 years and 8 years respectively. Platform A offered an interest rate of 4.23% compounded annually and Platform B offered 2.03% compounded quarterly. In this question, we are required to calculate the total accumulated amount from both investments. For Platform A, the formula used is the compound interest formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of n. P equals to Rm 35,000 ringgit, T is 10 years, K is 4.23%, M is 1. After substituting the values, the accumulated amount for Platform A becomes Rm 52,965 ringgit 79 cents. For Platform B, the formula used is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I power of n. P is Rm 15,000 ringgit, T is 8 years, K is 2.03%, M is 4. After substituting the values, the result for Platform B is Rm 17,637 ringgit 71 cent. To find the total amount accumulated, we must plus Platform A and Platform B, which is Platform A is Rm 52,965 ringgit and 79 cent plus 17,637 ringgit and 71 cent. So the total amount accumulated from both investment is Rm 70,603 ringgit 50 cent.
After 16 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for Platform A and 2.1% compounded biannually for Platform B. So find the total amount accumulated from both investments at the end of the investment period. By using the formula, future value equals to principal times 1 plus I times with the power of n. First step, we need to calculate the amount after the first 5 years with the original rate. And then we use the S1 as the new principal and calculate the amount for the next 5 years with the new rate, which is 3.25% compounded quarterly. For the Platform B, calculate the amount after the first 5 years with the original rate, and then we use the S1 as the new principal and calculate the amount for the remaining 3 years with the new rate. So the last step is we need to combine the two totals. And the answer I got is 68,291 ringgit 40 cents.
So this is the question for B Roman 2. Find the total interest earned from both banks. I equal to S minus P. I is total interest, S is future value, and P is principal. So we start from Platform A, which is I equal to 50,619 and 69 cents minus 35,000 equal to RM 15,619 and 69 cents. So we move to Platform B, which is I equal to 17,671.71 cents minus 15,000 equal to RM 2,671.71 cents. So to find the total interest earned, we have to plus the amount of Platform A and Platform B. RM 15,619.69 cents plus RM 2,671.71 equal to RM 8,291.40 cents.
Question 2. 18 months ago, Jeremiah began depositing 200 at the end of each month into Bank Umay, which pays 5.4% interest compounded monthly. Today, just after making his last deposit, he plans to withdraw all the money to contribute toward the 10% down payment on a new car costing 85,000 ringgit. Calculate the total amount he can withdraw from Bank Umay by using the formula S equal to R, 1 plus I with the power of n minus 1 over R. So the answer I got is 2,741 ringgit and 6 cents.
In question 2b, we are required to determine the amount of interest earned from his investment in Bank Umay. In this question, the formula used is the amount of interest earned, which is I equals to S minus Rn. And also the information is given, which is T is 18 months, R is Rm 200, K is 5.4%, and M is 12. So the total amount of interest earned is Rm 141 ringgit and 6 cents.
Question 2C. Jeremy plans to take a loan from a finance company to finance the remaining 90% of the car price. The finance company charged interest at 3.4% compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a 9-year period. The question is find the amount of the monthly payment. The car price is 85,000 ringgit. Loan amount is A equal to 0.9 times 85,000 ringgit equal to Rm 76,500. Annual interest rate equal to 3.4%. Interest rate per month I equal to 0.034 per 12. Loan period is 9 years. Number of payment, which is N, equal to 108. So the formula is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 times I, the power of negative N per I. So 76,500 equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.034 per 12, the power of negative 108 per 0.034 per 12. R equal to Rm 823.22 cents.
2 Romans. Calculate the amount of interest charged for this car loan by using the formula I equals to Rn minus A, where R is 23 ringgit and 22 cent, N is 108. After subtracting 76,500 ringgit, the final amount obtained is 12,476 ringgit.
Question 2, Roman 3. If Jeremy fails to make the first 4 monthly payments, calculate how much he should pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears. Hence, determine the interest charge on the late payment. R equal to Rm 823.22 cents. I equal to 0.034 per 12. N equal to 4. As the formula is S equal to R, open bracket, in bracket 1 plus I, the power of N minus 1 per I. So S equal to 823.22 cents, open bracket 1 plus 0.034 per 12, the power of 4 minus 1 per 0.034 per 12. So S equal to Rm 3,306.90 cents. Total principal miss equal to R times number of missed payment. So 823.22 times 4, P equal to Rm 3,292.88 cents. So this is the formula to find the interest charge on the late payment. The formula is I equal to S minus P. I equal to 3,306.90 cents minus 3,292.88 cents. So I is Rm 14 ringgit 0.02 cents. The interest charge on the late payment is Rm 14 ringgit 0.02 cents.
To solve part C Roman 4, we need to determine the amount Jeremy needs to pay to settle the loan in full immediately after making payment for 5 years. This involves calculating the present value of the remaining outstanding payment. Step 1. Determine the total number of payment for the loan. From part C Roman 1, the total loan period is 9 years with monthly payment. So the total number of payment is 9 times 12 equals to 108 payments. After that, determine the number of payments already made. Jeremy has made payment for 5 years. So payments made equals to 5 times 12 is 60 payments. So the total of N is 108 minus 60 equals to 48 payments. In this question, the formula used is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N over I. After substituting the value, the amount Jeremy needs to pay to settle the loan is approximately Rm 36,896 ringgit and 58 cents.